Hello and welcome back to You Fluent English Course. We're happy to have you here again. Remember, English is learned by listening and repeating, just like a child does. Practice a little every day, and you'll see results very soon. Let's begin with today's lesson. What do you do? This question means, what is your job? Let's see some examples and useful phrases to talk about jobs and occupations. Hi, my name is Anna. I'm a teacher. I teach children at school. I love my job. And you? What do you do? I'm a doctor. I work at a hospital. I'm a student. I study biology at the university. I'm a waiter. I serve food at a restaurant. Let's practice more examples. I'm a driver. I drive a taxi in the city. I'm an engineer. I work in construction. I'm a cook. I work in a big kitchen. We can also say where we work. I work at a bank. I work in a school. I work at home. I don't work. I'm retired. I'm unemployed right now. Now let's ask and answer together. What do you do? I'm a nurse. I help people in a clinic. What do you do? I'm an artist. I paint pictures. Let's repeat some common jobs together. Teacher, doctor, nurse, driver, student, cook, engineer, waiter, artist, police officer, manager, farmer. Very good. Now let's review. To ask about jobs, say, what do you do? To answer, say, I'm a, or I work at. Try to say what you do or what your family members do. For example, my father is a mechanic. My sister is a lawyer. My mother is a dentist. My friend is a musician. That's it for today's lesson. Keep listening, repeating, and practicing. You're doing great, and we're proud of your progress. See you in the next class.